Now, your Fox 24 Local Weather Authority forecast.
After yesterday's severe weather, much cooler air, but still very cloudy and very humid across the basin. A live look at the Tall City, our sky tracker. We do notice that we have a lot of clouds, misty conditions, lowering visibility at times, and we're going to be seeing more chances of rain over the next few days with below normal temperatures today. But warmer weather is on its way, as we did notice that we had large hail, strong winds, flash flooding yesterday with those storms that have since moved off to the east. We have a lot of lower level clouds and humidity on the backside of that cold front that came through. And those storms did help out with the drought situation just a little bit. These darker reds indicate exceptional drought in the northern basin, the southern basin. These darker reds indicate the worst form of drought comparable to what we saw in 2011 to 2012. Now, we are going to be seeing more chances of rain because of this cold front that is beginning to stall, meaning that we're having a divide between the warm and humid conditions to our south and the cooler and drier conditions to our north. But still relatively very humid out there. That low pressure system that did bring us storms now off to our east northeast, and we're going to be seeing more chances of rain today as high temperatures warming up into the 70s and 80s, well below normal because of those northerly winds, stronger winds in the higher elevations of the Guadalupe Mountains where there's a high wind warning in effect. 80 degrees in the Tall City today, low temperature 59 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy. Low chances of rain, but still nonetheless there is that chance of rain and a very small chance of severe weather. We are your local weather authority. We will continue to let you know if any storms do become severe. 50s and 60s to start throughout most of the basin. Lower 70s in the southern part of our viewing area, 70s and 80s this afternoon, but later this evening temperatures dropping in Marfa and Alpine because of storms. Low to mid 80s in Midland and Odessa, about 10 to 15 degrees below normal this time of year. Cooling off tonight in the 50s and 60s once again, but a little bit warmer compared to what we're seeing right now. Current temperature 61 degrees, low temperature tonight 63 degrees. Partly to mostly cloudy, a chance of storms and those winds from the east at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, a very gloomy start, rain-free conditions, but higher chances of rainfall later today in the southern and western part of our viewing area, including Van Horn, Marfa, eventually moving into Alpine, and then another round of storms overnight. These yellows and oranges indicate strong winds and some small hail, so make sure you guys are staying safe out there and are continuing to stay inside when these storms do come through. Partially clearing skies as we head into tomorrow and a very pleasant weather day for the first half of tomorrow. Mostly cloudy to start, more sunshine later in the day, high temperatures near normal in the 80s and 90s. So make sure you guys enjoy that outdoors for the first half of tomorrow. Another chance of storms later tomorrow. So we'll take the rainfall that we can get, but it may be in the form of strong winds and some hail. So make sure you guys are weather aware, but hotter, drier, and sunnier by this weekend and near record high temperatures by early next week.